What's up YouTube? I'm back in the still standing garage, and today I'm working on the 83 Regal. Now this one has a 231 3.8 V6. In this video I'll be replacing the antifreeze, and this is the antifreeze I'll be using. It says that it's for all vehicles. Let me show you something too. This one is actually yellow, and it says here fluid color works with all fluid colors. Now my concern was mixing the colors because what's in the car right now, if you could kind of see right there, it's green. What's in the car, I'm not doing a complete flush. All I'm doing is removing whatever I can, taking that out, and then adding some more and letting that go through, right? So I was concerned about mixing the two colors, and according to the bottle and according to what I've researched, it's okay to mix the two colors. It's not gonna be a big deal. Let's go, let's get started. So first things first, remove the cap from here, push down. The car is cold, so we should be fine. See how that one is green? It's already making a mess. What's going on here? So the spout on this radiator is gonna be right here. Let's get a catch can down there. Make sure we don't make too much of a mess. Let's open up the spout. Hopefully I'm able to open it without any issues. Oh, it's not that bad. There it goes. Let that drain off for a while. It's taking too long. See if we can take it off, see what kind of mess we can make here. There it goes. I don't want to make too much of a mess. Looks like it drained out already. Didn't make too much of a mess here. I did end up removing the drain plug completely. Took it out. It's ready to go. I already unbolted this, so I'm going to empty this one out too. Dump this out right here too. So let's check out the antifreeze that came out of the car. The camera's not actually capturing it how I wanted to, but I could actually see the bottom of the container in person. Some of the debris that's sitting on top is some of the crap that was sitting on top of the radiator support, and it kind of drained out with everything. So it's looking pretty good. It's not bad at all actually. I was planning on using this right here, the cooling system cleaner, but now that I saw what came out of there and it doesn't look bad at all, I'm not going to use it anymore. I know I didn't do a complete flush to be able to see what was in the motor, but I have been driving it enough now in the last couple of months to where everything has been circulating and it's been running pretty good. So like I said, I'm not using this. I'm going to save it for another day, maybe for the 79 or the 78 over here. Let's go. I already went ahead and I reinstalled the plug. I also bolted down the reservoir tank over there. Let's add the antifreeze and hopefully not make too much of a mess here. Like that. Hey, this one's actually green. I thought it was yellow. Well, there goes that. And there it is. I filled it up all the way up to the neck there. Now it's time to turn it on. Let the car run for about 30 to 45 minutes. And also let the thermostat open up at least twice. That way we can burp the system here. And then keep adding antifreeze all the way to the top. And then, of course, filling up the reservoir here to the max line. Let's go, baby.